Hi, so I just received my Hobonichi package this year. I actually bought one cousin design from last year, the Ohayo gray. And let's take a look at what's inside this box first. I really like the Hobonichi 2020 pink box. However, this is the first time a box arrived to me ripped. That's very sad because I really like this color and I was hoping to keep it. So let's see what is inside, okay? So I have the new cover on cover. Let me take the box away. So I got the new cover on cover. Open it up so that you can take a look. This is how it looks like. Okay. I also got two the plain A6 cover and cover. I bought the landscape tab in blue. One for my son and one for me for our planners next year. I got the pencil boards, the Shitajiki in the cousin and the A6 size, because that's the two sizes we use. I also bought this, it's called Blossom. I almost forgot the name of the cover. So this is called Blossom. This is the A6 size, the original size. I'm always drawn to covers that has like embroidery. My previous Mina Perfonen one is also one with embroidery. You can see the texture. It's really beautiful. And this one is special because it actually has a flap at the back too. And this is the tassel. My previous Mina Perfonen one, hold on. Is this one. It's the 2015 and it does not have this little flap at the back, and for the longest time I never put it in a cover on cover until I got one for it last year. I also got the new this is the soda pink, I believe cover. I think it's a really pretty shade of blue and pink. This is the cute little spoon with a smiley face that comes with the Hobonichi planners this year, and this is the blue pen. It's really pretty. I love this blue a lot. I got the Hobonichi original cousin. So, original A6. So this year I actually got, it came like this. It came in the cover with the planner with, I believe, this pencil board and a cover on cover. So I believe these 4 items, if I'm wrong, that means it's just this ones. But I believe these ones come together in a set this year, and it's a pretty good value for money. You get to save a little bit, so you pay for your shipping. I also got this journal notebook by Yuka Hiragi, which is also the same designer for this cover on cover that they have this year. I wanted to get the A6 cover on cover, however, it's already sold out. I'm not sure if there's going to be a restock planned. And now let's look at the Ohayo gray. I think a lot of you have already seen this from last year's unboxing. I actually contemplated it for a year and I decided I still really like it, so I got one this year. And wow, this is the Ohayo gray in cousin. texture. It's beautiful. Oh, let's see. This is the tabs or the tassels. Yeah, it's beautiful. The only one thing I feel that Hobonichi should continue doing is that, you know, this little tab here that says Hobonichi. So my previous ones from 2015 it says Hobonichi 2015. Can you see that? And I believe I have one from, I think, 2016, and it has that too, that 2016 flap. I feel that I really appreciate that. I can remember exactly when I got my Hobonichis, and I think it just adds so much more. It just adds so much more detail and value, I think, to the Hobonichi that covers that we get. So that's one thing that I wish they will add back into their journals or covers. Yeah, and this is my unboxing. These are all the things that I got. I hope you enjoyed watching my Hobonichi unboxing video. If you liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Till the next video, bye!